The housing inventory remains tight and significantly impacts home sales, with multiple offers dominating the market once again. Hi, I'm Bill Kuklinski with the Home Premier team, and this is your April market update. The latest data from the National Association of REALTORS shows the U.S. existing home sales have declined 2.4% month over month, reversing February sales gains of 14.5%. One of the factors contributing to this decline is the fluctuating mortgage rates, which is causing buyers to pull back, resulting in pending sales dropping 5.2% month over month. Moreover, the median existing home sales price has decreased for the second consecutive month, falling 0.9% nationally from the same time last year, representing the largest year-over-year decline since January 2012. Let's take a look at the local numbers. The Lehigh Valley housing market faced a challenging month in April, with closed sales dropping by 33.6% to 432 homes from 651 compared to the same period last year. Inventory also took a hit, slipping 27.5% to only 498 homes available from 687. The situation was further compounded by a 36.5% decrease in new listings to 584 homes from 919. There was also a decrease of 17.7% in pending sales to 589 homes from 716. Despite these challenges, homes still sold relatively quickly with an average of 24 days on the market compared to 14 days last year, which represents an increase of 71.4% or 10 days. As a result, prices experienced an average increase of 13.5%, with the average sale price rising to $359,579 from $316,821. This lack of inventory caused the month's supply of inventory to slide 20% to just 0.8 months from 1 month. Despite a 5.4% increase in housing inventory nationwide, only 980,000 units were available for sale heading into April. Compared to 1 year earlier, the number of homes for sale remains lower than during the same period in 2019 before the pandemic. This lack of existing inventory is continuing to impact home sales, and with only 2.6 months supply of inventory available, competition for available properties remains strong, especially in certain price categories. In fact, multiple offers are occurring on about 1/3 of the properties, according to the National Association of REALTORS. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. That way you'll never miss our latest episode. Your support means everything to us, and we can't wait to share more valuable content with you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.